How to report fake item on Poshmark. To report fake items on Poshmark, first of all, you simply have to launch the official application or simply head to the official website using any web browser of your choice. Then log into your account. Now you simply have to navigate to the specific item page you believe is fake. Want to open the page itself, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on the three-dotted menu icon right next to the page or on the upper hand corner. From there, tap the report listing from the pop-up options menu and also make sure to choose the reason. Select the replica counterfeit from the provided list, and then you simply have to wait out until the Poshmark Support looks out for it, and it will be blocked and removed from the website or the application. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.